Developer guide, you write list of input tags. List of input tags. List of input tags. And list of input tags. Now in that you will make, we have a input box called text. What it do? It used to take alpha numeric input from user. It used to take alphanumeric input from user. Then text, number. What it will do? It used to take only number input from user. Only number input from user. Only number input from user. Third one is called password. What it will do? It used to take secure input from user. Secure input from user. It used to take secure input from user. Okay. Next, after that, you write email. Input type equal to email. What it do? It used to take email ID from user. Email ID from user with @.com, .co.in, .edu compulsory. Okay, text number, password, email. Text number, password, email. Now come next. After that, write call which one? Text area. It collect multi-line input from user. Multi-line input from user. That is called text area. Next is called file. File. For what purpose? It used to upload any type of file from user PC. It used to upload any type of file, from user PC. Like when you go to the Facebook upload photo, it will give the option select the photo from your system. When you go to the Gmail, when you attach any file, you click on browse and then attach. So that all happen through the input type equal to file. Next we have called select. That you have experienced sometime on internet. You select the city, you select the state. That happen through the select call, tag called select. It used to display. It used to display, or how you can write select. Choose from given option. Like you cannot type anything. User can choose from the given option. Option will be there. In that option, we have to choose Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Next, come after it, we have called next call checkbox. Checkbox. Checkbox for what purpose? User can choose one or more from given option, or more from given option. For written, user can choose one or more from given option. Next, right call radio button. User can choose only one from given option. 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 That is called radio. Next, right called date. Date. DAT, date. For date picker. Or date picker. Calendar. Date time local. Date time hyphen local. Date time hyphen local. For what purpose? For date time with hour, minute. Hour and minutes. These all are the common selector elements that you are going to use while creating a form. Now, example will guide us. What is that look? And how that appear? Ready? Now, today files you will create in a separate folder that is called input tab. So if you have written this all, you can let me know. Even I'll share in the chat also. Create a new folder called input elements. Input elements. Input elements example. Folder name. Input elements example is a folder name. Input element folder is ready. Now today files will go under the input elements folder. You will not store here there. Save the file in proper place. That is your input elements example. Read the next file under the input element example. File name will be example1 .html. File name will be example1.html. Example1.html. In which folder? Input element example. Okay. Input element is the folder name. See here. I have a folder called input element. Inside that, I made a file called example1. Here is the file. That is under the folder. There is no any problem if you are saving anywhere else, but you should have a content organized properly. Input tag folder one place, input tag example. So let's come to this folder file. Start from HTML as usual. Follow body tag. Right inside H1 tag. HTML input tags. Basic syntax example. Basic syntax example. Now come inside. Right here, text colon input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. You can run and check once how it appears. It will create a basic text box. Input type equal to text will give you basic text box. After writing, we can check also how that appear like this. One normal text box where we can enter some value. So this is called as a input tag. Now write next call password. Input type equal to password. Whatever you will enter into this text box, second one, it will not show you the original value. It will show you dot dot dot. It will show you dot dot dot. We can check these two fields are working or not. It will take the value, one will display, second will not display. Okay, written. Check now. It should look like this. Two text box. One will display the value, second will not display the value. That is called password field, secure field. Third one is called number. Input type equal to number. Input type equal to number. Input type equal to number will take only number. It will take only number, OTP, mobile number, those kind of number we can enter here. We have one more called email. Once you apply the some kind of property, next property, then it will take only email ID. Input type equal to email. When input type equal to email. In email, we can't identify anything as of now. It will take everything. But once we apply a property called required, let me check once. QURE required. Then It's not showing anything because it is not inside the form tag. If it put inside the form, input type equal to email we are given, required also we applied. But you can see as of now it's taking alphanumeric everything. There is not any kind of notification for @ or anything. So it will come with the form. Required remove as of now. We will be learning under the list of properties. Okay. So these four are called single line input element. These four are called single line input element. You cannot enter multiple line value. Every time, whatever you want to write, you have to write in the single line. Okay, the enter key will not work in this. Try, check once. Enter key is working. Enter key will not work in that. These elements work like is in line. All the value will go in same line. At any cost, we cannot break the line manually. Let me show you. What I'm trying to say is here. When I go to the name, I enter something ABC. After a space, I press enter. Is it leading to new line? No, because these all are called single line element. Single line. Number also, when you take single line only. Email you take single line element. So these all are called as a single line input element. It will not allow to take multiple input, multiple line input, everything in one line. Everything in one line. Okay, next after this,
So what is the purpose of that backslash after?
that is called independent tag. We have learned in the first class only. Independent and dependent.
Yes,
Remember?
yes.
And CH1 is open close, that is called as a dependent. Body is open close, dependent. HTML open close, dependent.
Self-close and independent. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Self-close independent tags.
Independent tag,
Self-closing. That one.
self-closing, yes. That is called as a independent tag.
Yes.
Those tag come down. Now write the next one for multi-line. S3 you can add here text area. Text area. It is called multi-line input field. Text area open and text area close. It is dependent tag. It is dependent tag. Now come down, check once. You'll see how that text area work. Text area is here. We can write multiple line. We can press enter key also. By default, it will be there is corner. You can take drag and drop. You can increase the lines width. Okay, so on internet, when we fill about profile, about ourselves, message, multiple line, whenever you fill anywhere on internet, that is called as a text area. So text area open, text area close. Working. Now come next after this text area, we have this, you can resize like this. Okay. Next after this we have next element that is called H3. I'll follow here. H3 we can write call file upload. File. You can write below input type equal to file. Input type equal to file. You can see it will give the option to upload a file. That even we have seen everywhere on internet. When we want to upload something, upload option will come. That will not come automatically. We have to write input type equal to file. It's like this. Choose file. When we click here, it will give the option to select from the system. We can select and open. That file will get selected in. Design, look and feel, we can change. We have multiple way. Come next. So we're working for everyone. Let's write next H3. H3 I am writing so that all will print in the new line. H3 will write here call checkbox. Checkbox. Okay. Checkbox is first write called date itself. Date. Right below input type equal to date. Calendar will come. Input type equal to date. Calendar should come. Calendar should come. It is something like this. Calendar, click on this, calendar will appear. Come in. Check. Even it is browser dependent, so in Mozilla may not work. So you can check it in different browser. Next, we can write call another one, date time local. We can write one more, date time local. Date time hyphen local, LOCL. So it will give hour minute. It will give option to select hour minute. Let us see how that appears. Something like this. Both are coming side by side. One you have only calendar. One you have calendar with the date, hour, minute. Like suppose you are selecting 23rd, then hour, minute, 1950, 2050, 2010. First is hour, second is minute. Today when we click, today everything will come. So this two date picker we have. We can use it. Write the next H3. That is called select. Select. This is called select open. Select close. Select open, select close. Inside that, we can write called option. First write called choose. Select open, select close, option open, option close. Choose. Next, come down. Option. Some city name you can add. And check once how it appears. Select option will come. In that choose will be the option. We can make something like this. Choose. Right? So this will be more attractive after adding the more properties and more technology. This is basic structure. Okay, come next. Right next H3. That will guide us for the checkbox. Checkbox. Okay, checkbox we can write here. Input type equal to checkbox, check and box together. Keep call Bangalore. Checkbox, how many appear? One. Copy and paste 3-4 times. Change some city name. Something. It will give you 4 checkboxes. Now it's like this. Multiple checkboxes are coming. We have property using that we can make particular one by default checked. So here user can select one and user can select multiple user base. We have next one that is called radio. Write H3. Not H3 directly like this. S3 radio button input type equal to radio input type equal to radio. Write again some city name. Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore. Happening. Now, how many you are able to select? More than one. Radio button should not allow to select more than one. That is a functionality, but we can select multiple also, right? Through property, we can control it. You can check like this. Give the common name for all. Give any name. Okay, name is a property. So we will discuss what is the use of name, but you can write now name equal to common name for all 3-4. It will not allow to select multiple. Anyone you can select. That is a radio button is made for that purpose. User cannot select multiple. User should select anyone. In that case, which one we have to do? Radio button. If user can select multiple, then we can create the checkbox. If user should be able to select only one, then we have to create the radio button. For only one selection, radio button. For more than one selection, checkbox. Now let us check. You are able to select only one, right? Anyone? But in case of checkbox, also we can apply the name and we can see, but radio button is another. Okay, next after this, what else we have pending? We created X number, password, email, text 05, select checkbox. Then radio created, date you created, date time, local you created. Now we need button. Any name you can give, no problem. I will guide you why to use the name property. You can give any name, your wish, but give common name. If you give common name for all, user cannot select. Now we need to write below buttons. We have two type of button, three type of button is there. Write H3 button type. Button type. So button type we have called button open, button close. It is called type equal to submit. Type equal to submit. Okay, it has some meaning. We are going to discuss. Three type of button we have. We can write here called submit. Here you can write anything. Example called register. Anything is okay. Any text is fine. Next, after that, type equal to reset. We can write here type equal to reset only, or maybe we can write clear all. Next, we can write call a button. We can write here button. Last one will not work without JavaScript. Last button we are written type equal to button will work based on JavaScript, using JavaScript. But first two will work without JavaScript, using HTML. For all the radio button, you have to give the same name. If you give different name, user can select more than one. If you give different name, then user can select more than one. You have to give the common name. Then only user cannot select multiple. Now, see buttons are coming, but button will be non-functional. It will not do anything as of now. Doing anything? No. Some more thing we have. This file was just basic syntax, how to create the elements. Next file onwards, we will write their property and their related values. Now we can leave this file and come to the another file. So you have created input elements. This is their basic syntax. Next, we need to add the property value and understand what is that. So come to the next file. Next file we will create form1.html. 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 Form1.html in the same folder. HTML open close. Follow the body tag. File name. This one. Form1. Yeah, form1. No space together. Form1.html. Form1.html. Created. Come to that file, open the form tag and close the form tag. Benefit of this we'll understand again. In that, there will be 3 options. Okay, but you write first, design a page, then we can see the form, how it works. Inside the form, open a table, and for this table, again write align as a center, align as a center, and cell padding equal to somewhere 10. Align equal to center, cell padding equal to 10. Next, after this, you will write a caption inside. Under the caption H1, contact us. Contact us. This will become a headline. Okay, ready, contact us. Now write the first TR, open and close. Write the TH, full name. Then you will follow the TD. Input type equal to text. This much. Organize inside the table TH and TD properly. So when we'll run the page, it will look well aligned. It will not go here, there. Okay, code written. Run it, see how it look. It look like this in one line, correct? It's not up down, not here, there, all in one line. Write the next TR. Follow the TH. That is called mobile number. Then create a TD. Input type equal to number. Number. Now add one more field. Next TR. Use the TH. Email ID. Input type equal to email. Input type equal to email. Next, after this, write one more TR. TH message. Write the next CD. Text area. Open text area, close. We can check once how this page look now. This will look like this. All the text field will be aligned properly. You will write one more TR in the last. TH. Call span equal to 2 if you write. Then this TH will cover the full width. TH will cover the full width. Then inside that you can create a button. Send my message. Send message. Simple. Let's see now. For everyone, page looks similar. Should look something like this. Once you complete, you can let me know also. Completed for people. Can you share the code? If I'll share the code, what is the benefit for you? Take the code half. This is half code. And this is the half code. Both you copy and paste one after the other. Your page will work.
So using constant to
Button we are bringing in middle. Button we are bringing in the middle. If you will not write correspond to, button will come in left side. Button will come in left side without correspond.
constant.
Those are automatically remember in few example. Okay, so look like this. Now we will increase the height and width of text area. Text area, this is message, right? It should be little bigger, no, like this. So for that we have to write few lines of, not few lines, some property. We are going to make the list of property value. Now write for text area. For text area you can write rows. ROWS. Rows equal to, rows means height. A row represent the height. In the frame set also yesterday we are written called row. The row gives some 7, 8 or 10. Write calls also. Calls equal to 30, 40. Then C1s. The height and width will get increased. Text area height and width will get increased using the rows and calls. Add it and check once, height and width will get increased. Height width is increased, something like this. Bigger one. So we have a lot of property value, form related, many property value we have. We will be implementing from next class. First we'll make a how you have written the list of tags. Now similar way we'll write list of property and value. For example, you have written rows and calls. What is the use of that? Form, how it will work. Name property we have written one place. What is that? So like these rows and calls, we have nearly close to 20 properties we have. Close to 20 properties we have that is required for every elements. For text box also you will write. For text area you will write. So those property value will make a list, and after that 6, 7 pages will create, and in that we'll implement it. One page 4, 5 property, next page 4, 5 property, next page 4, 5 property. So keep writing in 6, 7 example, you will remember 30, 40 property automatically. Okay. So table related, I hope everyone have made the set number 1 is completed. Right? If anyone have pending, they should try it. After attending next class, that is called Monday, after attending the Monday class, we will go for the input form related examples are there, no? Form related example, I'll guide you which set number you should do. Okay, after creating some more example, form related concept will clear, then you can try remaining pages. Okay, then next class will be on next day, that is not tomorrow, day after, on Monday directly, 26th. This file is working, or do I need to send in the group WhatsApp? File is working, contact. I will send you in the group, you can check once, if not working, you can take from there also.